Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So what's the difference between Windows Media Player 11, 10, 11, 12 with skin and without skin? What's the use to use a skin? So it's a good thing to use a skin because, for example, when you click on audio file to play and you put your mouse over the file, you see the format type and the bitrate. Also underneath you have the total size of the audio file or song and total time of the song. If we have more songs, it will be total time of all the songs calculated. So on the other way, Windows Media Player without skin can show us the second thing. On the other hand, when you use your Windows Media Player without skin, what you see? You have a list. You have the time of the song or audio file, but if you have many files, you won't see the total time of playing. When we put our mouse over a file, what we see? We see nothing. So we need to take another exercise. It asks me to right-click mouse on the file, select properties, and then you will see your bitrate, duration, and so on. It is for every file, so very uncomfortable situation. The same thing is concerned a video file. So when we open a video file with the skin, we have prerogatives of having your list on the right. And when we put mouse over a file, we see duration and size. Underneath we also see size and duration. If we have 2, 3 or more video files, we will have total size of all of them and total duration of all of them. It's a very good thing because many people tried to unlock with registry Windows Media Player 11 and 12 to show permanently a playlist on the right, but it was not possible till now. On the other hand, what do we have when watching, for example, and clicking to open video with general Windows Media Player 11 or 12 without skin? So when we open video file, we do not have our playlist on the right. So in case we have 2, 3 files to switch between them, we need to right click near seconds more or less with mouse and select to show playlist. Only then, and again, when we put our mouse over a list, we do not have size of video, we just have time of the video, but we won't have total time if we will have 2, 3 files. So it's better for use and more simply to use a Windows Media Player with a skin, though one disadvantage is present. When you go to your library and you switch off your Windows Media Player, or you close it, and when you reopen it, it will be without the skin. It will be general Windows Media Player. So don't go to the library, or when you go, just then return and select view and select to show your skin, and skin will be right back on every opening of Windows Media Player. Such a manual it is, glorifies the God forever.